Once upon a time in the vastness of space there existed a bustling space station where various alien species coexisted in harmony. At the heart of this cosmic community lived Zara, an adventurous explorer with a curiosity that reached beyond the stars. One day, Zara set out on a journey across the galaxy aboard her trusty spaceship, the Cosmic Wanderer. Guided by a mysterious energy, she navigated through the celestial tapestry, eager to uncover the source of this cosmic force. In the cockpit of her spaceship, Zara examined a holographic star map, her eyes filled with determination. The map led her to a luminescent planet, where the inhabitants, known as Luminars, emitted beautiful melodies that resonated with the universe. Captivated by the harmonious energy, Zara explored the Luminary village. She soon discovered that these melodies held the power to bring balance and unity to the cosmos. Inspired by this revelation, Zara embarked on a quest to collect melodies from different planets, each with its unique challenges and friendly encounters. As Zara traveled, she encountered diverse beings who shared their wisdom and contributed to the growing symphony of harmony. With each new melody added to her collection, Zara felt the pulse of the cosmos strengthening. In the heart of a dark void threatening to disrupt the cosmic balance, Zara faced the darkness. With courage and the harmonious symphony at her command, she pushed back the shadows, restoring light to the cosmos. Returning to the space station, Zara shared the harmonious symphony with the inhabitants. The once bustling station transformed into a cosmic carnival of colors and sounds as the diverse species united in harmony. In the quiet of her quarters, Zara reflected on her journey. She realized that the true power of harmony lay in embracing diversity and fostering unity among the stars. As dawn broke over the space station, Zara continued her exploration, spreading the message of galactic harmony to every corner of the cosmos. The sun rose, casting its warm light on a universe where different beings coexisted in peace, their melodies blending into a beautiful cosmic tapestry. And so, the story of Zara, the Cosmic Wanderer, became a legend, a tale of adventure, friendship, and the enduring power of harmony in the vastness of space.